You know, you are adding value. You have to understand specifications, you have to understand systems, and you have to work within the quality parameters and the systems that are there.
Roy looks after both the factories, but he's the boss here.
What we recently introduced is the average weight system. So if you see, each table has its own average weight scale. And what they do, if you look at the screen, the lady there makes sure that it hits the green level. Once it hits the green level, it's good to go. And that reduces our weight by almost 4 to 6% a year. So we're shipping 5,000 or 4,000 tons a year. Imagine saving 5%. This is a pack for Marks and Spencer's. 4848G is a code for this factory. So any product with a 4848G code, even in Ireland, comes from this factory. So if it's on promotion, we put the promotion label on. It's shelf ready, straight onto the store.